Hey, AI enthusiasts! Welcome to episode 3 of our Artificial Intelligence course for absolute beginners. Today, we're tackling the big question: how do you actually learn AI in 2025? Whether you are a complete newbie or just curious, I've got a simple, step-by-step roadmap to get you started. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to begin. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the basics of AI. First, you need a foundation. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a broad field where machines mimic human thinking. Think of it like teaching a computer to recognize cats in photos or predict your next Netflix show. Inside AI, we have machine learning, where computers learn from data, and deep learning, which uses neural networks for complex tasks like self-driving cars. Don't worry about the techie stuff yet. Start with free resources like YouTube videos or blogs to grasp these terms. My favorite? Search for AI for Beginners on YouTube or check out posts on X for quick explanations from experts. Step 2. Learn Python, your AI superpower. It's the most popular programming language for AI because it's beginner-friendly and powers tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. You don't need to be a coding pro. Start with free platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp for Python basics. Try writing simple code, like printing your name. For AI, focus on libraries like NumPy for data handling. A great place to practice is Google Colab. It's free, cloud-based, and perfect for AI projects. Spend 30 minutes a day coding, and you'll be amazed at your progress in a month. Step 3. Explore free AI courses. In 2025, there are tons of beginner-friendly options. Check out Coursera's AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. It's non-technical and explains AI's big picture. Or try Fast, AI free course for hands-on machine learning. These courses break down complex ideas into bite-sized lessons. Pick one, set a goal to finish a module a week, and take notes. Pro tip: join X communities or Discord groups to discuss what you're learning. It keeps you motivated and connected. Step 4. Build small AI projects. Step 4 is where the fun begins. Projects make learning real. Try creating a simple chatbot using Python and a library like Chatterbot. Or use Google Colab to train an AI to recognize images, like cats versus dogs. Start with tutorials. YouTube and X are full of step-by-step guides. Don't aim for perfection, just experiment. Each project teaches you something new, and you'll have cool stuff to share with your friends or future employers. Finally, Step 5. Stay consistent and curious. Learning AI takes time, so dedicate 1-2 hours a week to studying and experimenting. Follow AI creators on X for daily tips and trends. Search hashtags like #AIRevolution or #MachineLearning. Ask questions, join forums, and don't fear mistakes. Every expert started as a beginner, just like you. That's your roadmap to learning AI in 2025. To recap, understand the basics, learn Python, take free courses, build projects, and stay consistent. Which step are you starting with? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for episode 4, where we'll explore AI tools you can use today. See you next time.